Hi John, this is Leo here. I'm doing project number 7, where you get to imagine a game where you want to get the highest number. You can either stay or keep rolling the dice um, to try and do better. So you can keep rolling as many times as you want. And a good way to figure out when you should stay is to calculate the expected value for the rolls. So for example, for roll 1, what I did is added all the numbers on the dice, 1 through 6, and then divided by the total amount of numbers, which is 6, which gives us an average of about 3.5. So on the first roll, anytime, if you're using one dice, anytime you get over 3.5 is when you should stay and keep that score. For the second roll, now we use that expected value from the first roll, 3.5. And it's because it's higher than the first three numbers, 1, 2, and 3, we replace those first three. So it's going to be 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5 plus the remaining 4, 5, 6, once again divided by their total, which is a 6. Now for second roll, we get an expected value of 4.25. So if we get anything less than 4, pretty much, you shouldn't stay. Same thing, keep going for the third roll. We take that 4.25 expected value, we add it 4 times plus the remaining 5 and 6. Once again divided by 6. Now by the third roll, our expected value becomes 4.67. And I just kind of kept going here for a little while, just plugging in those expected values. For roll number 5, it's 5.13. Roll number 6, it's about 5.28, and so it keeps going on. I just did these for fun. Figured about by the roll 30th or so, you should only, well, eventually it becomes you should only stay at a 6. Um, so if you were to roll it as many times as you wanted to, eventually the expected value becomes high enough that you should only keep a 6. And what's the smallest number of allowed rolls for which you only stay when you have a 6? And if you're using one dice, I'm guessing that's going to be by roll, by the 8th roll, if we look at the expected value of 5.5. So after the 8th roll, you can only stay if you're rolling 6s, pretty much. And if you're using the 2 dice, see, this is just for one dice, but it's the same for either dice after about the 8th roll here, and um, same thing for 3 dice also. So that's my project. I hope it's sufficient, and have a good day.